Alright, Sace got his first back bouncing fish, Humptulips. November 3rd, 2009.
Nasty fish right here.
It's big.
Take some still shots too with a 360 index finger. You can actually capture the still shot.
Oh yeah.
This close up here is 30 pounds. Oh, we're gonna drag it up on the. Don't drag it on the beach. Don't let it go. Good. Don't drag it up on the.
I know. Woo, that's a beast, dude. Holy smokes. God damn. Look at the size of that thing. Whew. Back bouncing. First one. What do you say? 35?
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
35 pounds?
30.
30, 35? Arm sore now, but all worth it.